akong kabayo, Mickey Mouse.
Hello everyone! Ani na naman kita sa Gateway Hotel para mag-attend naman sa isa ka seminar about online marketing with one and only Fibo Lim.
All is dead.
Hello everyone! Ari kita subong sa Gateway Hotel. Kagupon na ako si Sir Fibo Lim, one of the most requested life coaches. And si Sir Fibo, galing sa aman ka vlogger. Yes? So, Sir Fibo, if you are given an advice for mga vloggers, pwede mong may advice sa kanila.
Alright. Now, most people right now, they do two things, right? First is, they go to social media and they consume content. They watch what their friends do, they watch what their friends eat. That's one thing. That's what they call consumption. Second is, you produce content, you know? What's your name? Ruby? Me? We're a producer. We produce content. So the two things is, you can be a consumer or you can be a producer. So that means what will you choose? If you're a consumer, you're just wasting your time. But if you produce content, you're actually giving value at the same time, recording, documenting your journey. At the end of the day, this asset is very valuable. At the same time, you can see, you can share this to your, grandchildren, grand-grandchildren. But most of all, you're changing people's lives and you're impacting other people as well. So that's what you should be doing in social media.
Ayun, no? So, hindi lang ni siya nag-stop today ang atong ginaobra as vloggers. This goes to generations and generations. So, thank you very much and thank you very much, Sir
Thank you.
Fibo. Natun subo si Sir Kent. Sir Kent, sa aton nga mga subscribers nga gusto magkadto diri sa Gateway Hotel, ano galing aton nga address?
Actually, Gateway Hotel is located at National Highway, Barangay Maliao, Pavia. It is going to airport actually.
Makita ka mo nga blue nga building, amo na gid na. Ay, in fairness, na-discover ko may ara sila nga KTV room. Costs 2,000 pesos, 3 hours consumable na. Imagine, no? Kung masako dito sa syudad, guwa lang kita di gamay. May exclusive na kita nga room for our friends. Good for 10 packs na. Ayun, sige, magwa na kita. Tan, di na nga mo yung bata. Kay mapuli na kita. Ayun! You say goodbye na to your subscribers! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Mayo kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong channel. Yan ang panginulat mo. Pindutan ang subscribe button